Okay, so totally random angle here. This is a totally impromptu video. Was not thinking about doing this, but I was just getting ready to refill my containers for my pantry, and I realized that I didn't have any granola. And I wanted to fill my granola container, which is over there drying. I just cleaned it. So I'm gonna make some granola from scratch. I was like, let's do a YouTube video. Why not, right? So with that being said, let me show you how I make granola. So I have some rolled oats here, some leftover ones in here, but I don't think I'm gonna need those. So I have some ones that I had already made that were already in the container. Just wanted to give you an idea of what my granola looks like, my homemade granola. Okay, so what I put in homemade granola. So I have some rolled oats in this little glass bowl. I like to take a little bit of vanilla extract, which is my brand vanilla extract. This is Ashley's vanilla extract, so I'll link this down below if y'all want to purchase it. Some maple syrup, a little brown sugar, some almonds. These are lemongrass almonds. These are the more expensive ones. They're like $10 a bag. I do have the naked almonds as well. I might throw a few of those in there also out of my pantry. And then I just have some coconut oil. So I just like to mix this around. And then I'm gonna put the coconut oil in here. Let me grab my almonds. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, my container's a little broke, some almonds, some regular ones. Put that over here. I'm gonna grab some of these lemongrass almonds. Put a handful of these in here. I do like to use like dried fruit, but I don't have any. So I'm gonna take this thing and just, because you know how brown sugar sort of gets hard, I'm gonna just scrape some off the top. Yes, this is very, very not probably what I should be doing. It's still soft, it's just not, you know, what I wanted. So we're gonna pour some in my hand, because I'm just gonna sprinkle it in here. I'm gonna just do like a tablespoon. Oh, and my vanilla has the actual vanilla beans in it. So do like a couple capfuls of vanilla extract, just 2 capfuls, which is probably like a tablespoon. I'm gonna do a capful of, and that's the bourbon one, so it has like this bourbony flavor. Oh, so good. I'm gonna do a little bit of maple syrup. And then this is like the easiest recipe of life, honestly. I'm gonna mix this around in here. And you know what else I'm gonna add in here that's not what I normally add? One sec. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. This I do add, but I'm also gonna add some pumpkin pie spice from Trader Joe's. This is not something I normally add in here, but I wanted to have that like sort of apple cinnamony flavor. Just mix it all around. I am getting food everywhere. I am such a messy cooker. I really am, but I clean up after myself. Look at this, I'm getting oats everywhere. All right, let's clear all of this out of the way, because now I'm gonna put this on a pan. So I have my baking pan here. Can you guys see what's happening? I'm gonna take all of this out of this bowl and just put it on this baking pan. And I'm sure there's other ways to make granola. This is just how I do it. And I'm gonna spread it out. And I wanna spread it out evenly so that I don't want clusters of nuts. So I'm gonna make sure these nuts are all through here. about to do. Oh, I'm gonna just sprinkle a little more cinnamon on top. And then I'm also gonna sprinkle, what was I? Oh, brown sugar. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven. I'm gonna put it on 375. It's a little high. You should probably do it on 350 or 325, whatever you're comfortable with. I do 375 because I like it to have that crisp, smoky taste, if that makes sense. Let me just take a picture of it. Okay, so let's pop this in the oven. This is what it looks like. So I put it on the top shelf so that it can get nice and crispy on top. So let me clean this stuff up and then we'll take it out. I'm gonna leave it in there for like 15 to 20 minutes. And it should be brown. You can keep checking on it to see how you feel about it. It just depends on how you like your granola. Do you like it crunchy? I just like mine like nice and crunchy and like that baked smoky flavor. Okay, so I'm done cleaning. Now I'm going to fill up my other containers. Where can you see those back here? On TikTok. So head over to my TikTok if you want to see that. I'm not going to include that in this video. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a sec. As soon as this granola is done, I'm gonna pull it out, show it to y'all, put it in the container, and that's it. Okay guys, so my granola is finished. It's still smoking. I left it in there a little longer than what I wanted to, but I can still use it. I'm just gonna see that crispy brown look. That's how I want it to look. Some of these almonds burnt, but the ones that had the stuff on them did. The regular ones are fine. So now I'm just gonna leave these burnt pieces here. And I'm going to pop this in the freezer for like 20 minutes. And these little burnt pieces will just, I mean, honestly, you can use them. It's really just the lemongrass almonds that burnt a little, but that's okay. See, I told you this was impromptu. We weren't really, you know, supposed to be doing this. But I mean, this is usable. Personally, it can be used. So I'll just stick it here. And then we'll just do away with it. Guys, all right, so it's been in there for like 5 minutes. It didn't really need to be in there for 15. I just wanted it to clump together. So I'll just put it all in this container. Of course, I made a mess again. So sorry about that, guys. My camera ended up dying. I said it was dying while I was putting the granola in the thing. So let me show you guys what I do with it. I just put it in my pantry. So that's where it is. Nice, yummy, at home, homemade granola. So sorry that my camera ended up dying. That's super awkward. Because I'm like, well, talking in the middle and it cuts off. So that's the granola. I'm about to make dinner. It's actually pretty late. It's 5:29, so I'm actually really hungry. It's not late, but it's dinner time. So sorry. Love you guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Oh, I created a new channel. So before we go, I created my channel for my brand, The Influencer Collaborative. I'm going to be talking about all things influencer, all things branding, marketing, being an influencer, how you make money, all that stuff on that channel instead of this one. I know that I was briefly covering it here and there on this channel, but I decided, I gotta rest my hand on something, my arm was hurting. I decided that it just makes more sense to create a channel solely based around that type of content, because my personal channel is just a lifestyle channel and I felt like it was taking away from my channel a little bit. So I wanted to create a channel where I only talk about what it's like to be an influencer. So if you guys will do me the favor of going over to that channel and checking it out, subscribing, and hitting the bell for notifications for this channel and that channel, so you know when I upload on both channels. I keep saying channel, but you know, that's what we're talking about here. No, for real, head over to that channel, guys. I am going to upload 2 videos today, if I can get them edited and up and on there. And I'll be covering branding yourself as an influencer and figuring out your niche and where you stand as an influencer. That's gonna be the first like real video. I feel like that's just a question that I get asked all the time, so I wanted to upload that video first. And if you have not already checked out the Influencer Collaborative website, go ahead and check that out. You can sign up to take my course for YouTube if you have a YouTube channel and you want to brand yourself and expand it. You can also do one-on-one coaching with my sister or myself. So just wanted to say that really quickly. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go and cook dinner because I'm starving, edit another vlog and some other videos I have. So I'm not even sure when you guys will see this. The other vlog might come up first, or you might see this before the other vlog. I don't know. The other vlog is centered around fall decor. I haven't finished my fall decor yet, so y'all might see that a little later in September. I'm not really sure, but love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.